Take a moment to check out the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety, the Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat, alarm. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.